The Germans call it Industry 4.0, the Americans smart manufacturing, and in France it's known as the industry of the future. Whatever term is used, the question we all want to know is the same. What's next? Which industry is going to be the next big thing? Where will the jobs of the future be? What can I do right now to succeed tomorrow? To answer all those questions, let's take a closer look at the industries in the near future. First, mobile payments. Mobile payments themselves should be nothing new. Best example for this is Apple Pay. Just double click, then Face ID and then hold the phone to the card reader and done is a payment. This is relatively fast and convenient, and many people probably already know this payment method. But I'm not talking about that mobile payment, I'm more likely talking about this kind of mobile payment. What's that, you may ask? Imagine walking into a grocery store where there are no cashiers, no queues, no fumbling for credit cards. You just grab what you need and walk out. Sounds a bit weird, right? But a few years ago, Amazon opened multiple stores that does exactly that. You scan your QR code, which is of course linked to your Amazon account, and walk in. Take what you want and walk out, and a few minutes later you get your online receipt saying what you bought and what the bill is. And now you may ask, how is this possible? To invent this technology, they use computer vision, deep learning algorithms, and sensor fusion. This means that throughout the store there are sensors on the ceiling that track your every move, and as soon as you pick up a product it is added to your cart, and when you put it back it is removed. Very impressive technology behind it, isn't it? Number 2. 3D printing. 3D printed products are made utilizing additive techniques, which include putting down successive layers of material until the object is complete. Each of these layers may be viewed as a thinly sliced cross-section using slicing software of the item created by this technique. It might be a little item, a consumer product, an industrial product, a prosthetic limb, or as huge as a house. 3D printing is widely used in the automotive, aviation, construction, jewelry, and healthcare industries. A good example of this industry is a startup from Spain that produces 3D printed vegan steaks to replace meat. Many think there could be a big thing behind this. What do you think? Number 3. IoT. On the one hand, we already have the Internet of Things. There are billions of linked gadgets. The giant consulting company McKinsey predicts that by 2023 there will be 43 billion. More than 5 for every individual on Earth. However, there is a possible bottleneck, especially from an industrial standpoint. And that's 5G, or rather the lack of widespread of 5G. The deployment of low latency 5G networks will enable much quicker speeds, a higher number of linked devices, and increased data transfer. It will accelerate the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, like many other technologies, will affect existing markets and create new ones. In the future, the IoT will enable anything from widespread adoption of fully connected supply chains to widespread monitoring of buildings and power networks. Furthermore, rising computer power and, critically, edge computing will allow for real-time analysis of data from these devices. This will result in efficiency and cost savings, as well as faster production on demand, significantly smart cities, and increased safety. It will allow for greater distributed computer power and predictive maintenance. We have gone from a computer on every desk to a computer in every pocket in the last decade. We will soon see computers in everything. Number 4. Artificial intelligence. Google constantly monitors our behavior. Facebook pays attention to our preferences and provides us with the right ads. With regular feeding of client data and a lot of other information, the machines have begun to learn and build their own knowledge. Alexa is an obvious example for this. AI and machine learning are ushering in the next phase of the computer revolution, in which the bulk of our intelligent decisions can be automated. When most equipment or utility appliances are networked via the Internet of Things, they will collect more data to process and gain more information to better serve us. As a result, artificial intelligence will be a rapidly growing sector during the next decade. Thus, AI has enormous promise in many business applications, such as e-commerce, where it will aid us in making intelligent choices based on our prior purchase history, as in Amazon online shopping, as well as in online retail shopping through virtual shopping assistants or chatbots. AI can also assist us in detecting fake internet reviews and combating credit card theft. Uber and logistic firms also significantly employ AI to locate simple routes, avoid high traffic, and improve operational efficiency. AI is now widely utilized to evaluate massive volumes of historical data in order to produce solutions for illness diagnosis and the discovery of novel medications. AI is widely used in a variety of different industries, including automobiles, marketing, agriculture, gaming, social media, and so on. The top companies that are leading this industry are Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, IBM Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. Number 5. Robotics. Robots, according to NASA, are machines that can do tasks. Some robots can do tasks on their own. Other robots must always be instructed on what to do. Robotics, as defined by Wikipedia, is an interdisciplinary field that brings together computer science and engineering. Robotics is the study of the design, construction, operation, and use of robots. The purpose of robotics is to create machines that can aid and support people. Robotics combines numerous technical disciplines such as electronics, software engineering, mechatronics, bioengineering, and mathematics, among others. Spacecraft's robotic arms are used to move very massive things in orbit. Spacecraft that visit other planets are self-contained robots. People give them orders, the robots then execute the orders. The rovers, for example, that explore the surface of Mars are examples of this sort of robot. This technology is mostly used in manufacturing, agriculture, mining, and military industries. Are you scared of this development? Number 6. Data science. Every company generates a massive amounts of new data every day in the form of digits, words, music, video, photos, and so on, which we term big data and which typical processing software cannot handle. This ever-growing big data requires in-depth and timely analysis to provide actionable insights to solve business or customer problems and develop ideas for future business growth. Data science has therefore become one of such business area that is expanding rapidly. This requires knowledge in computer science, statistics, mathematics, graphic design, information visualization, domain knowledge, and so on. As a result, in order to maintain a competitive advantage in the growing markets, every major company with large-scale operations will require people with data science skills to manage their big data. And such people will always be in high demand by various industries that are growing in the near future. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching and hopefully see you in the next one.